be something. Are you taking a picture?
I don't know. We can flip away.
Leo, what is it?
I
Look at
have
your
a
daddy.
helicopter.
Look
We
at
can
your daddy.
fly over the plane.
Yeah.
Show it to me.
Show your daddy. Turn around. He can't see it.
Oh, when I just take the wrapper off. This wrapper. When I'm.
Show Dada.
Daddy.
Show Dada, Leo.
I think it's from Seattle.
Do you know who got that for you?
I don't know.
Uncle Adam.
What do you want to say to Uncle Adam?
Thank you.
Say
Show it to
Daddy.
me. Show it to the camera.
And also, I want to show it to my baby sister. Look, baby sister, I have a present. This helicopter and this helicopter. And there's also a fire truck and there's two planes. There one right there, one right there. Can I open it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I think I should do it.
All right, say thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle Adam.